Hello my dear student, welcome back in GK. Today we will study about I wonder. It is on the page number 3030. Here are some question answers we have to do. I wonder. See question number 1. What makes us sneeze? If dust or germs get into our nose, our body makes us sneeze. So get rid of them. Okay, I'll repeat. If dust or germs get into our nose, our body makes us sneeze to get rid of them. Your lungs shoot air out, cleaning your nose. See here picture. Number 2, see cake. You are using on your birthday. Why do cakes rise? When you put a cake in the oven, the mixture heats up and makes bubble of carbon dioxide. That's why it's rise. These grow bigger in the heat and make the cake rise. Number C, tears. Why do our eyes produce tears? The tear gland above the eye walls release small amount of a salty liquid called tears. But this is the definition of tears. The tear glands above the eye walls release small amount of a salty liquid called tears. When irritated by the dust or germs or nervous tension, the tears wash the eyes and drains through or passes into the nose. However, when produced in large amount, some of them drip down the face. Next is, how cold is snow? Snowflakes are water droplets that have frozen into crystals of ice. Snowflakes are water droplets that have frozen into crystals of ice. To stay frozen, they have to be freezing at point that is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, it is frozen at less than 0 degree Celsius. They get warmer than this. Snowflakes melt and fell to the ground as a rain. Number 5. See, why do you feel dizzy when you spin around? See the answer. Inside each ear you have 3 loop-shaped tubes. Inside each ear you have 3 loop-shaped tubes with watery liquid in them. This swishes about when you spin around. Special nerves pick up the movement and tell your brains that you are spinning. If you stop suddenly, the liquid still swish about for a bit. Your brain gets the wrong message and you feel dizzy. Next is waves. What makes wave roll? Waves are ripples of water blown across the surface of the ocean by the wind. On a calm day, they hardly move. But in the stormy weather, they roll faster and faster and grow higher and higher until they form huge balls of water. Number 7. See here. But in the class also some students writes with left hand and some writes right hand. Number 7. Why are there more right-handed people than left-handed? Okay, in the short form I have written it is because their left side of the brain is more developed. You can write this much only also. The right half of the brain controls the left side of the body and the left half of the brain controls the right side of the body. Okay. In most people, the left side of the brain is better developed. Okay. In some cases, however, the right side of the brain is more developed and the person becomes left-handed. Okay. Number 8. Why do our legs look shorter underwater? Due to the reflection of light. See, when light enters water, its rays travel more slowly than they do through the air. When light enters water, its rays travel more slowly than they do through the air. This changes the way we see things. Looking down through the water in a swimming pool, our legs look very short and dumpy. And the last, number 9, what makes me hiccups? When we swallow air along with the food, hiccups occur. There is a big muscle below your lungs which help you to breathe. It is called diaphragm. You hiccup when something makes this muscle pull down really hard, drawing loads of air into your lungs. To stop too much air rushing in, a flap at the top of your windpipe clamps down. This closes off the air flow so quickly that your whole body jerks. That's why we make hiccups. Okay beta, you have to learn these question answers for the exam. Thank you and have a nice day.